Hello mates, what's up? I've come back here again with another interesting video in my channel Laboni YT, because in this video you are going to learn from me two things. First, the definition of let and why we use it in a sentence, and second one, let in active and passive voice as well. This is going to be of course part 1 of this video, but in the upcoming part 2 video you are going to learn how to change active into passive and passive into active with the help of let. So if you want to learn, stay connected with me until the last part of this video. But before gonna start this video, I want to say, give your like, subscribe my channel, press the small bell icon button and share it to others. So let's start this video now. So at first I shall discuss the definition of let, or why we use it in sentences. So we use let to permit or allow someone or something. For example, if I say, I have let him enter, which means that I have allowed the person to enter, because we know let means to allow or permit someone or something. In my another example, you can see, they have let this session conduct. It means that they have permitted to conduct the session, because let means to permit or allow someone or something. So in the next definition of let, you can see it means to obstruct or impede. For example, you can see here, don't let someone invade in your way. It means that someone is trying to obstruct a person's way because they are trying to invade in your walk or in your path. So that is the reason why we use let. In the first definition, you can see we use let to permit or allow. In the second definition, you can see it is used to obstruct or impede. So now it's clearly conspicuous here. So now at first we shall discuss let in active voice. At first we shall delve into the structure of it. So in any active voice we shall use at first let in any sentence, then object, and then root form or basic form of verb. So you can see here two examples. First one, let us know, and the second one is let him play. Well, now we shall analyze this structure with these two examples here, one by one. So at first we shall look into the first example, and that is let us know, and then we shall come to the second example, that is let him play. So at first let me talk about the first example, let us know. So in this sentence we have used at first, that is let, which we have used it here as a directive because we know let is used by us to permit or allow someone or something. Then we have used object, that is us, and then we have written the root form of main verb, that is know. So in the structure of let in active voice, we have seen that let at first, then object, then root verb or root form or basic form of verb. So here you can see that we have used here correctly one by one in accordance with the rule of it. At first let, then object us, and then root form of main verb, that is know, let us know. So in our second example, you can see we have written let him play. So you can see it here also that I have used let as a directive at the beginning of the sentence, because let is permitting someone to play, then object him, and at the end of the sentence we have written the root form of main verb play. So it's completely clear how to use let in an active voice, just like these two examples. One is let us know, another one is let him play. And if you follow this structure, you can easily write any sentence with let, because in active voice you have to use this structure completely in order to write a correct sentence, that is let, then object, and then root form of main verb. So now I shall tell you let in passive voice. So at first we shall know the structure and then we shall analyze this structure with two examples. At first let me tell you the structure. Let, then object, then be, then past participle form of main verb, then by. So that is the structure for passive voice with let. Now you can see two examples here. One is let it be done by me and the second one is let the mathematics be solved by her. Now you will think that how these two examples have followed this rule in passive voice. Well, don't worry, I shall explain it one by one elaborately. You just keep your focus here. So let me take the first example, let it be done by me. Here I have used at first let as a directive because let is permitting someone to do this act. Then I have used object according to this structure in passive voice with let, and here object is it, and then I have written be, and then I have used past participle form of main verb done, do, did, done, and then we have written by me. So let it be done by me. Okay. In our next example you can see let the mathematics be solved by her. Here we have written let as a directive, then object the mathematics, then be, then past participle form of main verb solve, and then by her. Let the mathematics be solved by her. So that is the main thing with the help of let in active voice as well as passive voice. So still if you feel that you have confusion, you can let me know in the comment box below. If you like this video, give your like, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share it. So that's all for today. I shall come back again with another interesting video. Stay connected with me. Tata, see you again. Bye.